Have you ever wondered how a simple furniture company like IKEA became a global giant worth billions? It's not just the furniture, it's not just the prices. It's the hidden formula behind the brand, a formula that begins the moment you walk through those bright blue and yellow doors. Because from the second you enter an IKEA store, the company is already shaping your decisions. The layout isn't random, it's a psychological maze, a one-way path designed to guide you through every single corner of the showroom. Even if you only came for a single pillow, you'll find yourself walking past beds, wardrobes, kitchens, decorations, and things you never even thought you needed. By the time customers reach the end, most end up buying far more than they planned. That maze alone boosts their sales massively, and most people don't even notice it's happening. But IKEA's brilliance doesn't stop at the store layout. One of their smartest strategies is something psychologists now call the IKEA effect. This is the idea that people value something more when they build it themselves, and IKEA knew this long before the scientists confirmed it. Their products come in flat packs with simple tools, and you're the one who puts them together. Instead of feeling annoyed, most customers actually feel proud. It feels like you built something with your own hands. And that sense of ownership makes you love the product more, even if the job took longer than expected. Behind the scenes, IKEA's engineering strategy is just as impressive. Their furniture is designed so every piece fits tightly inside a compact box with barely any wasted space. This makes shipping extremely efficient. More boxes fit on each truck, reducing transport costs and cutting down on damage. This is how IKEA manages to keep prices low while still making strong profits. Their furniture isn't just designed for homes, it's designed for global logistics. And then there's the food. Those famous Swedish meatballs. They're more powerful than you think. Over 1 billion are sold every year. The food courts aren't just a bonus. They're part of the psychology. Cheap, comforting food keeps customers happy and energized, making them stay longer. Studies show that people buy more after eating. IKEA even sells some food item at a loss because they know well-fed customers spend more on furniture. It's all part of the plan. But what really helped IKEA dominate the world is how quickly they adapt to each culture. In China, they introduced bigger beds for families who sleep together. In India, they redesigned furniture for smaller apartments and hotter climates. In different countries, they changed catalog images to respect cultural expectations. Wherever IKEA goes, it adjusts itself to fit the people, not the other way around. So the real secret is in luck. It's a combination of psychology, engineering, customer behavior, and cultural awareness. The maze, the IKEA effect, the low-cost design, the cheap food, and the ability to adapt, all working together like clockwork, and that is the hidden formula behind IKEA's incredible success.